Good morning, teacher and classmates. My name is Wilber Gonzalo Escalante Moreno. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic in automotive mechanics, the overhauls of brake discs. This topic is very relevant because the braking system is one of the most important safety systems in any vehicle. If the brakes fail, the driver can lose control of the vehicle and this may cause serious accidents. For that reason, it is important for us future mechanics to understand what the problem is and how to prevent it. Introduction. The braking system is essential for the safe operation of any vehicle because it allows us to control speed and stop the vehicle when necessary. Since this system brakes discs and brake pads work together, creating friction, this is that makes the vehicle slow down. However, during braking, a large amount of heat is generated if this air is not properly controlled or dissipated. The brakes discs can overheat. When overheating occurs, the brake performance decreases. This stopping distance increases and the safety of the driver and passengers is at risk. In this presentation, I will explain the main cause of brake disc overheats, its effect on the vehicle, and the best solution to prevent this problem.
Hello everyone, my name is Jefferson, and today we're going to explore some common causes behind automotive electrical system. 1. Alternative plate sulfation. Over time, alternative plate sulfation reduces the battery chemical capacity. 2. A faulty rectifier. A faulty rectifier prevents the alternator from converting alternator current to direct current. 3. Damaged wire insulation. Damaged wire insulation causes excessive current flow, often blowing the fuse. 4. Acidus vapor reacts with terminal metal. Acidus vapor reacts with terminal metal, creating resistance oxidation. 5. Incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion leaves carbon deposits, preventing the spark plug's discharge.
Hello, my name is Vladimir Velasquez. Now I will talk about the effects. Effects 1, the starter motor feels too rotting because the battery delivers insufficient current to engage the solenoid. Effect 2, the electrical system consumes the remaining reserve capacity until the ignition system ceases to function entirely. Effect 3. Current phone stops competing once the fuse element melts, disabling the specific electrical accessory or module. Effect 4. High resistance at the terminals reducing the operational voltage, causing the light and erratic sensor reading. Effects 5. Incomplete combustion causes erratic RPM, increased hydrocarbon emission, and potential damage to the catalytic converter.
Hello, my name is Said and my presentation is Solutions. Battery replacement. Install a new battery with the correct cool cleans up. reacting to restore the starting system integrity. Alternator overhaul. Replace the foul voltage regulator or the inter alternate on to ensure stable charges, voltage and current. And 3. Circuit troubleshoot. Locate the short circuit and replace the ball fuse to a new one of the identified amperage rating. And 4. Terminal cleaning. Remove oxidation using a wet brush and play. The electric grease prevent future heat resist, build and connections. Tune-up servers. Installing a new speak plug and ignition cool tensure. Conscious hill voltage design for optical engine combustion.
My name is Saul Pumac. Correction day. This vehicle station is functioning as a company routing a placer of road. This is electric correction. This can reduce the total weight and the coupling of this within alcohol with vacuum this runner as road. Modern vehicle utilizing a control adding weight can boost Augsburg multiplex electrician control units. The cost the community in this intent es pensar bus manejar datos transmisión del toma sensor a den contundent winter complexes y point winter heat ambient temperature intended the scope incremental electricity resisting with this alternative with heat alternative expression reducing this maximum reducing oxygen I exporting this one oxygen this internal voltage regulator. Conclusion. Jobs include the breathing voltage periodically do en suma de champion placer deliver include corruption form this standard motor. You should inspection this internet regulatory to prevent this electrical system for consuming this nothing reserva capacity. You should identify these road causing ox and a conversion inventory you replacing a clock function to occur for this circuit desert. You should renovation oxidation for this placer spot the management look electrical resistance o I resumen a clock reduction concentrate. You should replace for Spartan Club a designation inclusion after the school companion international or referencing is a log oak for